Alrighty then, tonight I'm going to show you how to fix just about any NinjaTrader issue. If you are crashing, if your workspace is not coming up, all the different types of issues you have, some performance issues, etc. This will pretty much do everything. If you need NinjaTrader work, here is what I suggest. Okay, so I'm going to pull up my documents. Everybody knows they're in my documents folder. In there's going to be a NinjaTrader 8 folder. Make sure NinjaTrader is first closed. Go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to rename this folder. I'm just going to call it renamed for now. So NinjaTrader 8 _ renamed. Now, you're gonna need two files for us if you are using AlgoBox. First, you need the NinjaTrader installer file, which you should have already downloaded. If you haven't, go to their website and download it. Won't go through that here tonight. And then you'll also need the AlgoBox Pro, most of the recent installer file. I've got both of those right here in my documents folder where I can reach those pretty easily. So first thing I'm gonna do now that I have renamed that folder, that's step one. Step two, I'm gonna go ahead and run the NinjaTrader installer, and it's gonna show me this repair option here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on repair. Run through the next finish here for one moment. Wait for it. There we go. See, my NinjaTrader 8 folder has kind of returned. Put these in order, pop to pop. And I should get that finish message right there. Okay, so that's going to basically restore a new NinjaTrader 8 folder here. Now we need to install AlgoBox Pro on top of it. We'll just run this one more time for ourselves. And we'll next through it all the way. And this is going to put everything kind of back where it belonged. Now, one of the things that you do lose are your connections. So I'm going to show you guys here in just a moment how to get those back. And you may have also created different workspaces for yourself. Now, oftentimes your workspace is a problem. I am going to show you how to bring those workspaces back in case you do want to try it. First, because it can. Oftentimes it's some of the data issues and things, so you want those workspaces back. You will just simply need to go into your renamed folder and grab a few of those files. And now I'm going to grab one of the files that's important is this config.xml. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that one. I'm going to go back to my documents. I'm going to go into my NinjaTrader 8 and I'm going to paste that here to overwrite that config file. Yes, replace. So I'm going to replace that file there. So that's the config. That's a good one to have. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to get one more thing out of the old files. I'm going to grab my workspaces folder and I can grab the whole thing, or if there are particular ones that I want inside it, and come over into the documents, go into NinjaTrader 8, and I'm just going to right click and I'm going to paste in this area, copy it, and this should get all my workspaces back in that folder as well. Once you've done that, yes, I want to replace all the files on that one, and that's it. Go launch NinjaTrader and you are going to be set. Everything should work fine after that. If it doesn't, contact our technical support. We'll catch you on the flip side.